on a beautiful Saturday afternoon. We're on our way to JT Manukan Home Depot dito sa Ortigas, and to attend the Honda Club Philippines 4 of a kind. So it will be attended by EF Crew, Club 7 Gen, and yung EK Civic at saka tropang EG. So yun, ito, yan. So yun, we're going to check some of the builds, and of course we're going to see some of the Honda from different clubs. Alright, so please like and subscribe this channel so we can create more videos like this, and maraming salamat for all your support. Tara, samahan nyo. Have a great weekend. God bless. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Sipin nyo guys, talaga naman yung pagkakataon, no? Kung sino pa yung buhay naman natin. Ayan, no? Of course, all about cars. You know? Oh, good morning. Good afternoon. Namiss ko kayo, ah. Oh, parada ka na. Ikaw lang?
Oh, nandito na si RJ.
Dito na ba? Sige, mamaya. Hatid ko lang to doon sa coffee shop.
Sige.
Good morning. Oh guys, so C2F, CTF. Hello po sa inyo. Shoutout kay Sir Jetro, tsaka kay Sir Alin. Sir Alin. Tsaka of course, ito, suki natin, Sir RJ.
Tutunog naman yan. Alright guys, Joms TV Media, we're here at the Honda Club Philippines 4E. So ito yung meet nila. Ito guys, ito yung yung 4E is because it's a collaboration of 4 groups. Yung yung EK, EJ, EF. So parang katulad nito. Ito yung kay Sir Charles. Tapos may EG dito. Ay, EK pala, tapos EG. So it's a collaboration. Plus, ayan, may May FD.
Tayo, magkasama tayo.
So ito guys, oh, FD na parang, well, full race bro. Kasi nakaano siya. Ay, ayun pala si sir. Hello sir, kamusta po? Oh guys, tinan nyo naman yung Civic ni sir, oh. Pamasok sa school pero naka-roll cage.
Para safe.
Safe, no?
Safe pa pa.
Solid. Ano sir, anong time nito? Kamusta?
Mabagal pa po sa BRC.
Bagal pa sa BRC. Tinatime matak, guys, tinatime matak to, di ba? Guys, Sir Domo, ito nakita na natin to sa time attack sa BRC na sir. Ayan, sir, lead and coach. Sir, maraming salamat. Tapos of course, meron din mga shoutout kay Kuya Guard. Hello po, good evening. At saka, ito pa isa, EG na pang race din. So nandun din siya nung Honda Pro Jason. Guys, solid build. Tapos ito, ang linis nung EK, oh. Nung VTI. Nice. Oh, guys, may conduction pa, oh. Galing. Guys, ito ang linis din ng EK ni sir, oh. Sir, sobrang linis naman ito.
Ano lang, babad sa punas.
Babad sa... Alaga sa punas. Sir, orig paint to?
Ano na, wash over.
Wash over na. Pero ang linis. Ganda pa rin, oh. Saan to? 97?
1,000.
2,000? SIR body na pala. Oo nga pala.
BPI.
VTI na SIR body kasi naka-power antenna. So, lit.
Yung antena ko,
Sira.
manual.
Ganun.
Hindi lang ngayon.
Parang normal ata eh. Na lagi nasisira. Pero, guys, tinan nyo mga given the age. Sobrang alaga. Yun. Salamat, sir.
Salamat po.
Ma-feature na. Hopefully, ma-feature namin yung kotse mo. And ayan, may slight feature. Sir, pangalan mo, sir?
Andre po.
Sir Andre of Honda EK.
Pero ano pa lang,
UV pa lang.
pag-graduate pa lang.
Pag-graduate pa lang. Alright. So, malapit na yan. Mga friends din natin sa... Sir, naka-ano ka, di ba? EG? Ay, EK pala. Ay, ito. Ito, shoutout sa EK. Sir, pangalan?
Allen po.
Sir Allen.
Romar.
Sir Romar. Ayan, mga... member?
Bago.
Bago pala. Ay, newbie. Ayan. Wala, madali na yan. Solid na yan. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, sir. Ito 90, ito 96. Tama ba? Parang 97 pa yata UH eh. So mamaya kausapin natin sila. Guys, ito po. Isa pang SIR body na naka-choppy no. Ay, hindi pala ito yun. Shoutout sa EK Civic Elite. Ito nito. Guys, maalala ko tuloy yung Civic ko. Tapos ito yung EF din. Ayan, shoutout kala sir. Hello po sir, good evening sa inyo. Tapos ito guys, ito nakikita ko to lagi eh. Sobrang ganda nito. Ganda nito. Tapos yan, may kamatch yan na pula, yun. Solid din yung pagkapula nito. Diba? Parehas pa sila ng mags, oh. Galing, solid. Then, ito, EK din. Ang linis, oh. 96 model yata ito. And shoutout sa mga friends natin. Anong group, sir? Ma'am? Auto 4Play. Auto 4Play. Ah, good. Yun sa'yo, sir? Ay, FD na maroon. Ayun. Shoutout po sa inyo. Hello. Thank you po. Okay, sila yung mga friends natin. Kasi sa composition of different groups na Civic. Tapos, of course, ito yung sa kay Sir RJ, of course kay kay Sir Darwin, all about cars. Tapos C2F, ay CTF. EG, oh, gaganda. Mas. Solid. Nice. Ganda ng kulay nito. So hopefully may mga dumating pa. Oh, this is a new Honda City na hatch. I believe this is a NRS. Yan. Ito yung group nila, sir. Yan, yung Auto 4 Play. So shout out sa Auto 4 Play. Ay, ito yung kay sir. Mga groups nila. Guys, ito, pumipirma si All About Cars na ano, sir, anong para saan yan?
Sign-in sheet. Ang pangkompleto for maging bona fide member ng
Ng HCP, okay.
So kailangan nilang kumpletuhin to, plus kailangan nila yung kumpletuhin yung GEB points.
GEB points.
Yung mga meet na ganito.
Okay, so
itong meet na to, 1 point na to.
1 point na.
So, kulang
Sa
pa
ilan?
siyang
Dalawa pa. So 3 meets. Okay. O yan. Hopefully, malapit na yan. Malapit na maging member.
Dalawa pa. Atin ka sa ano?
Dalawa pa.
Atin ka sa 27. AGC Lifestyle.
Oh guys, All About Cars. Check nyo yung Facebook page niya.
AGC Lifestyle, April 27.
April 27, okay.
HCP meet, but hosted by Civic X.
Civic X. Ito si sir, nakilala ko na. Mga naka-EG. Ay, EK. EG. Okay.
Kasi today is 4E.
4E. Oo, tama.
EG, EF, EK, and ES.
Oo nga, no? Puro E. Sige po, sir. Thank you. Liwanag. Oh guys, JT's. Manukang manok here at ano nga ba to? Home Depot.
Home Depot at Ortigas.
Ortigas. Oh guys, tingnan nyo, nandito kami ni All About Cars.
Full moon.
Full.
Full moon.
Oh guys, full moon pare.
Magiging werewolf kami mamaya.
Ay, naka. Linis, oh. Nice. Oh guys, Honda rin. Oh guys, si Sir Kyle, na-meet natin during Stunts Pilipinas. Parang last year?
This year po.
This year, oh.
Opening.
Opening meet sa Ayala Malls. Yan, Sir Kyle. Shoutout sa kanya. Sir, ano yung bibuild mo?
Civic po.
Civic na
SR body.
SIR body. Anong kulay?
White.
Yun nandun.
Opo.
Okay.
Yung kanina ng butik matrasan ng tama.
Yeah. Oo. O yan, abangan natin yung build niya.
Opo.
Sa Facebook, sir. May Facebook ba?
Kyle De La Cruz.
Ha?
Kyle De La Cruz.
Kyle De La Cruz. O, add nyo siya sa Facebook. Follow nyo siya. Sir Kyle, good to see you again. Salamat. Toyota 86. Matakot. Matakot dyan tulog, Sir Kyle, no? Ay, sorry. Guys, para tayo nasa Japan. Home Depot. Bago ang kotse ni Sir Kyle. Saka ni Oo, solid to. Sir, nakita ko na naman yung kotse mo, sir. Diba?
Yeah.
Yeah. Saalis na sila yung... Ano, may grupo to eh. Oo. Auto 4 play. Nice, isa na sila lalabas. Muna lalabas. Linis nito. Sir, thank you po. Thank you, thank you. Yan na. All about cars. Maraming salamat. Dahil ako nandito. Dahil nandito ako dahil sa'yo. Oh, ayan.
See you soon.
Guys, see you. Kailan next week?
Share and like.
Subscribe.
All About Cars and Joms TV Media.
Salamat.
Good night,
Kailan
everybody.
next? Guys, may mga dumaan din ba ang mga YouTube? Uwi na tayo. Kasi uwi na rin sila. 7th Gen. Uwi na sila. Uwi na rin tayo. Bye guys. Like and subscribe. Ingat kayo. Malayo pa uwian nyo. Ingat. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Step one, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step two, get some good, some food in you. Step three, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step four, everybody just do your thing.
This episode is brought to you by Cool Man Essentials.